What if I told you that a Windows 11 installation can be completely transformed before it even reaches the desktop? Microsoft officially provides something called answer files, also known as unattended or auto-unattended.xml files, which allow you to control how Windows 11 or Windows 10 behaves during the installation process itself. Using these files, you can remove unwanted bloatware, configure privacy and performance settings, and customize Windows exactly the way you want, all before Windows even finishes installing. This is not a hack or a workaround. Microsoft documents this method on their own website, and it has been used for many years, especially in enterprise and professional environments. An auto-unattended XML file can be placed either directly inside the Windows ISO file or in the root of a bootable USB flash drive. During setup, Windows automatically reads this file and applies every setting written inside it. That means when you finally reach the desktop, everything is already configured, no uninstalling apps, no digging through settings, and no disabling unwanted features manually. There are also online tools available that help generate these XML files, because it's one of the most powerful and clean ways to install Windows. To begin, you'll first need an official Windows 11 ISO file, which you can download directly from Microsoft. This method also works on Windows 10, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on Windows 11. Simply select the Download Windows 11 Disk Image (ISO) option, choose your language, and download the ISO for x64 devices. This ISO will be the base image we customize for our installation. Next, we'll use a powerful utility called Winhance, a Windows enhancement tool created by memory. The important thing to understand here is that we are not modifying Windows after installation. Instead, Winhance is used to create a custom auto-unattended XML file that controls the installation process itself. This makes it ideal for clean installs and professional setups. Inside Winhance, you can select which apps and features should be removed during setup. For example, in my personal configuration, I keep essential apps like Calculator, Notepad, Terminal, Photos, and Paint, while removing everything I don't use. Your requirements may be different, so you should always choose what suits your system. Winhance also allows you to control Windows compatibility features and optional components. You can choose to keep things like PowerShell, OpenSSH, Media Player, .NET Framework 3.5, Hyper-V, WSL, Windows Sandbox, and more, while disabling features you don't need, such as Windows Recall or other background components. These options are simple checkboxes, making the process very beginner-friendly while still offering advanced control. One of the most powerful sections is optimization and privacy. Here, you can disable telemetry, diagnostic data collection, error reporting, remote assistance, promotional content, suggestions, and content delivery services. You can also turn off features like online speech recognition, lock screen extras, tailored experiences, feedback prompts, and Cortana-related services. All of these changes are applied automatically during installation, saving you a massive amount of time later. Performance-related options are also available, including power plans, hibernation settings, GPU scheduling, game mode, storage behavior, and power throttling. You can configure these exactly the way you prefer, whether you're a gamer, a power user, or someone running older hardware. For advanced users, additional settings like CPU core parking can be unlocked, though these are optional and should only be changed if you understand their impact. Customization doesn't stop there. You can control the look and feel of Windows 11 right from the setup phase: dark mode, transparency effects, taskbar alignment, widgets, search icons, file explorer behavior, hidden files, drive letters, libraries, and even Bing search integration. When you finally reach the desktop, Windows already looks and behaves exactly the way you want. Once all your settings are finalized, Winhance can generate the auto-unattended XML file for you. You can either save this file and manually copy it to a bootable USB drive or inject it directly into the Windows ISO. Injecting it into the ISO allows you to create a fully automated Windows installer. Winhance can also extract and add drivers if you want, or you can simply place drivers in a folder on the USB drive for flexibility across different systems. After selecting your ISO and working directory, Winhance extracts the files, injects the XML configuration, and rebuilds a brand new customized Windows ISO. You also have the option to compress the ISO by converting WIM to ESD, though this step is optional. Once completed, you'll have a fully customized Windows installation image ready to use with tools like Rufus or Ventoy. During installation, Windows will automatically apply every setting defined in your auto-unattended.xml file. The setup process runs faster, cleaner, and without interruptions. When you reach the desktop, you'll see a minimal, bloat-free Windows environment, with all your preferences already applied. Any remaining drivers or updates can be installed normally afterward. This method is fully supported by Microsoft and widely used by IT professionals and organizations deploying Windows across multiple machines. It's one of the cleanest, most efficient ways to install Windows, especially if you reinstall often or want full control from day one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you'd like me to share a starter XML template or create a beginner-friendly version of this process. Thanks for watching TechGetter Official. I'll see you in the next video.